Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung camera flashlight not working problem. So let's see the step. First of all, you need to open settings. So find settings and open it. Now scroll down and find apps and click on it. Now scroll down and find camera. Just click on it. Now scroll down and click on storage, clear cache, camera. Now go back, click on force stop, click on OK. Now go back to home screen. Now normally reset your phone. Just reset your phone. Now open your camera and check your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.